It's a 2019 Buick Encore. Your journey to the urban jungle awaits, and this SUV is well suited for the adventure. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic transmission, leather and metal look steering wheel, streaming audio, air conditioning, Wi-Fi hotspot, AM/FM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, doors and push-button start proximity key, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. From automobile, the Buick Encore offers reasonable fuel economy, impressive driving dynamics, and an upscale interior at a sweet spot price that makes it accessible to those who normally shop brands that are more conventional. Buick, expect more than you'd imagine. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.